Welcome to my channel where reading is fun.
How to Say Hello to a Worm, a First Guide to Outside by Kari Percival. How do you plant lettuce seeds? Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Pat, pat, pat. Now make some rain. How do you say hello to a worm? Gently, very gently. Hello, worm. How do you plant peas? Stick your finger in the dirt hole. Drop one pea in. Give it a drink. Tuck all the peas under the covers. Sweet dreams, peas. How do you say hello to a ladybug? Let her crawl onto your finger. Count her spots. Say, hello, ladybug, before she flies away. Have you ever seen so much green? When will the peas sprout? Shh, they are still sleeping. Good morning, pea sprouts. How do you make mud? Dig a path for the water to go. Make a river, flood it. Mix, mix, mix. Mud. Look, pea plants. See how they curl around your finger? They want to climb. Let's build a place for them to keep growing. Find some tall sticks. Poke them in the ground. Tie the top with string. Ta-da! A play hut. Now you can watch the vines climb up, up, up. How do you say hello to a bee? Look, but don't poke. See the pollen on her feet? Listen, but don't grab. Hear her wings buzzing? If a bee mistakes you for a flower, hold very, very still and whisper, hello, bee. But when will there be peas? See how the play hut is shady? See the flowers? See the bees? You'll see pea pods next. How do you pick a strawberry? This one, not yet, too green. This one, not yet, too white. This one, not yet, too pink. This one, not yet, too spotted. This one, yes, now. That one, yum. How do you pull a carrot? A carrot? Where? I don't see any carrots. This carrot. How do you pick peas? Peas? Yes. Finally, peas. Find a pot, pop it open, look inside. Peas in a row. Dig one out with your finger. Pop it in your mouth. Yum. Wow. Look at all we've grown. Has anything ever tasted so sweet? The end.
Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos on my YouTube channel at Miss Sherri Gulley. Follow, like, subscribe, and share. The goal is to have a video out for you guys every single day to help you with your bedtime stories or your stories throughout the day.